all excited. Shit. What's up, homies? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel, dogs. I said it. I said I was gonna open it with you, right? It's Saturday. We're here bright and early. I brought my beautiful wife. She's right there. Yeah, we got some Starbies. Starbies. Look what you got me saying, babe. It's Starbucks. Let me say it manlier. Starbucks. All right, we got some Starbucks. But enough talking. Let's open the box now. So this is our 56-inch, not a 52. I know I was saying 52, homeboys. It's not a 52. My dumb ass was saying 52. It's a 56-inch double bank roller cabinet. Yeah. Let's cut it up. Let's open it up. Let's get the navaja. Yeah. Yeah. I'm actually really excited about this, guys. Really excited, man. Over there. Okay. Now I hope the cabinets are on this side so we can roll it off that way. Hopefully it's in that way so I don't have to turn it. Wait, what was that for? What? Look. I don't know why that was there. Anyways. Oh yeah, when I'm working on the floor, huh? Okay. Wait. I think it just slides off. Why am I doing all this extra work? Let's see. Let's just cut it. I'm just doing it this way, guys. I don't know. It's Chris. Oh, the drawers are facing the other way. Let me see. Yeah, they are. Damn. That just glides. All right. Let's glide like an airplane. Oh shit, came back at me. All right. Let's take this off. Smells like a new toolbox. So wet. So what the hell was that? Damn it. I spoke too soon. We're gonna have to flip this the other way. Yeah. Son of a gun. And that pallet jack is like way over there in parts. Look, we have llaves. Directions. Ah. Uh-huh. Oh, look. Total weight combined capacity. 4,400 pounds. Whew. Not bad. All right, we're going to have to turn this around. Let's see. Come on. Oh, my God. Look at this. Damn. Oh, sorry. Let's move it around. I'm more excited. There you go. Damn. I love the black and green combo. Comes with your mat. The hell? I thought some drogas. Shit. Anyways, look at this, man. Damn. Is it unlocked? No. Woo! Let me give you guys a close-up. Damn, that's badass. Look at that, man. Woo-wee. All right, let's start getting it off this little pallet thing, and let's look at it. All right. So we got keys here, and I believe, oh, wow, that was smooth, actually. Look at that. That was smooth. Come a little closer. Look how smooth that's gonna be. Watch this. Ooh, look at that. So I put the key in. That's pretty smooth. Pretty smooth. Look at that. Smooth. Cool. All right, so it's unlocked. Let's have these little chingaderas in the bottom. Where's the string coming from? Did we just cut it or what? Okay. We'll just do it that way. And there's our keys. Now somebody, when I posted I was gonna get this toolbox, I was reading some of the comments, and some of you guys were saying that there's a key for this one, a key for the hutch, and there's a key for the locker. So it's gonna be like 3 sets of keys. I mean, it doesn't bother me that we have so many damn keys, but what I'm thinking about is maybe switching all of them to be the exact same one. You get what I mean? So we can have one key for all of them. So we'll set the keys there for now. This stuff we don't need. So the top one, we're just gonna go through everything, make sure it's okay. It's gonna be for the wrenches, mats in there. Okay. Okay, this one opens good. Oh, look. Okay, so here's all the goodies. So let's just set this up here. So we have our cable. Here's the cable. Open her up. For your charge, for the, I believe there's gonna be some kind of connector somewhere in the back. Hold on. Yeah, it's in the back. I'll show you guys that right now in a bit. It's gonna be the handle. I want the handle to be on this side because I wanna get my side locker to be on this side. Okay, and then they give us a piece of wood. Oh, the ramp. They gave us a ramp. I would just stab myself. So this ramp goes right there. Okay, we got our tornillos right there. Put this over here. Anything else? Okay. All of them open freely. I was watching some other videos about this one before I bought it, and people were complaining that it was hard to open. Seemed pretty easy. Unless they weren't doing it right. Seems like it moves freely. Okay, so let's put the handle on primero. Oh! Nobody saw that. So here's some bolts for this. Let's put the handle on primero. See the holes right here? You gotta have some little dowels right here. Just slides in like that. Pretty cool. Put your little tornillo in there. God, I'm excited, guys. I love the black and green combo on this one. Right there. Okay, and this is the cable I was talking about. And it connects right there for your charging bank and shit. And USB-C. Oh, I think we gotta knock off the wood down here. Oh no. So we're gonna have to unscrew those. There's a foam in here. Okay. You're gonna have 4 of them on each side. Okay. One on the back. See right there. So there's one right here. And on the other wood, one right there. And again, one over there. And then one right there. Okay. I'm gonna take the back off. All right. All of them are off. Let's go get our hammer, knock this shit out. Shit, just come on. There we go. Throw that over there. I'm all excited and shit. Oh shit, we got one more. Oh, yeah, huh? It's gonna be 2 right here. There. Nope, let's get a pry bar. Ahí está. All right. Oh, I'm all excited. Shit. Let's roll this stuff out of the way. And let's roll her off. Oh, shit. It was coming at me. Right. Oh, shit, don't roll. I thought it was leaving me already. That's it. All right. We'll put this over here. Here she is, guys. All right. Now we just gotta do an inspection, full inspection on it. Lock these damn wheels. We're gonna look around it, go through every drawer, make sure no dents, nothing fucked up, nothing creased up. You know what I mean? So, this is the box. Look at that. Hell yeah. Here's your top side of it. Then it's gonna be your top drawer. Look at that. It's got its mat. Everything's set up in there. Push it there. We're gonna look through all the drawers. Make sure nothing's fucked up. Make sure it does come out. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty sturdy. I love the way the black trim is on top right here. Pretty cool. Close that. And this one, everything looks good on this one. Don't look that bad. This one, hell yeah, that one's good. The bottom one, that one looks good. This is gonna be for my impacts. Put my impact in here. Bottom drawer, that's gonna be for all my special tools like timing chain kits, all that brake caliper stuff, all that, that's right here. It's gonna be in here. And this deep one, I'm not very impressed with it. They could have, I mean, me personally, they could have done something here. Made it like 2 drawers. There's no need for all of that, to me personally. Then they have the charging bank. Everything looks okay in there. So everything else looks okay in there. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little plugins. Then you got your USB-C. There's a power, off, whatever. And like I said, it does give you your cable. What are these bolts for right here? I don't know. We'll figure that out. You got your keys to llaves. I wonder what those keys, let me see. Oh, look, so there's holes right here. And I'm assuming it's to bolt that hutch here. I'm assuming. So everything on the side looks good. Nothing looks creased up. Don't look fucked up. Everything on this side looks good. Everything on the back side, shit, it looks fucking good, Holmes. I mean, there ain't nothing much. It's pretty good. Look at that. You can see everything, so there's no dents or pushed in. So it's pretty good. All right. So let's move this one out of the way and start opening that hutch.